topic for today is all about math. So, why math is important? Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevents chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or special thinking, critical thinking, problem-solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Ayun na nga, alam niyo na kung bakit mga nagka-math. Punta naman tayo sa lesson natin for today, ang the nature of roots of quadratic equation. The word nature refers to the types of numbers the roots can be, namely real, rational, irrational, or imaginary. The expression inside the radical symbol is called the discriminant. Hence, the expression b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant, which determines the nature of roots of quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the roots are real, rational, and equal. If b squared minus 4ac greater than 0 and a perfect square, the roots are real, irrational, and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac greater than 0 but not perfect square, then the roots are real, irrational, and equal. And lastly, if b squared minus 4ac less than 0, then the equation has no real roots. Example, we have x squared plus 12x plus 36 is equals to 0. So let's get first the a, b, and c. A is equals to 1 because x is equivalent to 1, and b is equals to 12, and c is equals to 36. And now, let's apply the formula b squared minus 4ac. So, b is 12. b squared minus 4ac is equals to 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times 36. So, yung una, i-times natin yung 12 sa squared niya. So, 12 squared is equals to 144. And then, 36 times 4 is equals to 144 din. So, ayun, nakuha na natin yung sagot equals to 0 na. So, since b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0, therefore roots are real, rational, and equal.
Hello everyone, this is Maica. For today, our topic is about the importance of mathematics in our daily life. Mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstracts, critical thinking, problem-solving ability, and effective communication skills. For today, we are going to discuss solving equation transformable to quadratic equation. The main objective of the topic: quadratic equations are actually used in everyday life, as when calculating areas determining a product's profit or formulating speed of an object. The quadratic formula can also be used to identify the axis of symmetry of the parabola and the number of real zeros the quadratic equation contains. So this will be the example. So let's say we have 1x plus x2 equals 11/6. So first, study the given. So in our given, we have different denominators. So dissimilar fraction. So first, find the LCD. So LCD on our left side is 2x. 2x divide x times 2 times 1 plus 2 times divide 2 times x. So we have x squared is equal to 11/6. Now, if you want to remove our denominator, we can cross multiply. So cross multiply it would be 6 times 2 plus x squared is equal to 2 times 11. Okay, now, this will be the answer. That will be all. Thank you very much. Hope you learned something for this topic.